Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you've been looking at BuilderAll wondering, can you build a really cool killer funnel using our tools? Well, in this video, I am going to show you 5 BuilderAll design basics that will help you build a killer funnel in no time, and it'll make you look like a pro in whatever niche you're trying to dominate. So if you want to learn what those 5 BuilderAll design basics are and watch me build a capture page that I will actually give to you for free at the end of the video, then keep on watching. Hey there guys and gals, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate that you're here. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please go ahead and take one moment to just like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right guys and gals, well, I'm going to show you 5 BuilderAll design basics that will help you build a killer funnel, starting with a lead capture page. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to literally show you the 5 design elements, and we're going to build this thing together. And if you stay to the end of the video and you're not with BuilderAll, I'm going to give you the opportunity to swipe this file and import it into your BuilderAll business account. So all you have to do is activate a business plan inside of BuilderAll under my link, and I will give you this completed funnel template for free. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is, obviously, I'm going to get into my BuilderAll back office, and the first thing I want to focus on is going into the drag and drop Pixel Perfect and going into the sales funnel. So the first BuilderAll design basic is going into the sales funnel. This is going to be your go-to area when you are looking to build a sales funnel within our system. So let's go ahead and click on sales funnel and pick one of our awesome templates that you can choose from. So depending on what you're going to create, depending what your offer is, you can go through any of our templates and pick the template that you want. And inside that template, not only are you going to get the template to work with, but you're also going to get your blueprint, and you're going to get your tutorial video all in one spot. So for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the squeeze page funnel. So let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so this consists of 2 pages. It should take you about 10 minutes to edit, and you can watch this video and see what is a squeeze page funnel and when you would use it. And you can go ahead and click here and watch the tutorial as well, and you can check out your funnel blueprint right here. And we're going to go ahead and edit the template. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and click Save. So let's call this Lead Capture 5 BuilderAll Basics. That way I know. Okay? Alrighty. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to design basic number 2, which is we are going to add a sales funnel icon into here. So where do you find that? Okay, well, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to drag this footer down, okay? And I'm going to open this up a little bit. And I'm going to bring this a little bit over here. And I'm going to bring this over here, and I can do anything. I can go like this to the opt-in form. I can make it longer. I love this about BuilderAll. It's truly drag and drop, okay? So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to bring this over a little bit here. I'm going to bring this arrow here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring in an image, okay? So let me show you how cool. You have access to a ton of icons and a ton of royalty-free photos. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it for this particular lead capture page. So I'm going to right click here, and we're going to go to change image, okay? And what we want to do is we want to go into the icon collection and check out all these cool icons you have to use to, get your funnel ready. Well, right down here, if you click on sales funnel, you get all these sales funnel pictures. Okay, so if you have a funnel agency and you need to create mock-ups for your clients, or you're creating some sort of, a little mini funnel course, you can get all your cool sales funnel images right inside here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to make this image just a little bit smaller. Okay. All right, so now we have a gorgeous graphic right here, and right here we can put change the headline really quickly and put something like how to create a killer video sales page in 5 simple steps. So how to create a killer video sales page in 5 simple steps. Okay. All right, so let's recap. Number 1, it's our sales funnel templates. Number 2, you go into the icon section and grab your sales funnel images. Okay. Now, number 3, you're going to love this one. Number 3 design element, design basic, is the ability to create gradient backgrounds. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to colors, and right here you're going to see that it says gradient fluid. So let's go ahead and we can either create one from scratch, or we can pick from one of the ones that are already pre-made for you. So let's go ahead and click on add gradient, and we can either pick one that's already made, or we can create a brand new one of our own. Okay, and you can also choose radial, or you can choose a linear, whichever you want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I am going to pick this one, and I'm going to click on save, and then all you have to do is click right here, boom, and it will add it to your background. Okay, Builderall allows you to turn a boring basic lead capture page into a beautiful, eye-catching branded lead capture page in just a few simple steps. Okay, so the next design element that we are going to focus on is one that I don't know if a lot of people use, but it's one that I use very often in my business, and that is the banner. So here's a footer right here. So I want to drag this down a little bit because I'm going to need a little room for my banner. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open the plus sign and click on banner, and I am going to select something from the banner. Now you can go ahead, check all these things out. I mean, we have some gorgeous pre-made banner templates in here that you can use on your lead capture page that are just really beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to select testimonials, because that's something that you want to have on a lead capture page. So let's go ahead and look for testimonials, and it's probably right in front of my face and I don't see it. So here it is. Okay, so we want to go ahead and just add a testimonial. So I'm going to click right on this one. Okay, and that's going to add it right to my page. So you see this little dotted line right here? That means that we need to drag this down a little bit. Okay, and now we have a testimonial section right here. Some cool social proof testimonials. Okay, so then you want to go ahead and put those in there, and we're going to go ahead and click save. And then finally, the last element is the social network buttons. Now, guys, I'm just focusing on the basic stuff that you would need to create a killer lead capture page, okay? But you could create a sales page. I mean, I just created a 7-day follow-up funnel for my team, and our bonus page is really beautiful, and I was able to create all of it with the Builderall builders. So by the way, if you want to get access to our 7-day follow-up funnel, which is designed to follow up with your leads, I've built an 8-page funnel that will be yours for free when you sign up for the Builderall business plan with my link. So I will have those links in the description box right below this video. All right, so let's go to the social network icons, and I'm going to show you how cool you can go ahead and edit these. Okay, now you've got your Facebook icons in here. If you have a blog or something that has a sidebar, you could even put your Instagram account in there. It'll pull in your feed. You can even add a Facebook like box anywhere inside your website or your sales funnel. So you have so many options available to you that are already made in Builderall. So let me go ahead and add the social icons at the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add these down here, and then what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click them so that I can you know, edit this image. So let's just say I don't really use Google Plus. I can get rid of it. I'm going to click OK. So I'll have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. I really don't use Pinterest, so I'll grab that and take it out of there. And I'll just keep my Instagram, even though I really don't use it, but just so that we have a few icons here below. So then all you have to do is click on the icon, and then you just edit it right here, and you can put your business page right here. So I'm going to put my business page right here. And if you want to contact me through my Facebook business page, you can go ahead and click on that link, and that will take you to my Facebook business page. And let's go ahead, and now we're going to edit this image, okay? And that'll bring up your Twitter, and here it would be Twitter. I can't spell today. Okay. And then you just go on, so on and so forth. You go to image, you click on the image, and you put your YouTube in there. Alrighty, and then your Instagram, you can put it here and click on the icon, and that'll allow you to change it. Alright, so now we can just put that down here. And now you've got a killer looking capture page. And then what you can do is you can change out this image and put in your logo. Okay, so I've got my branded logo over here. So I will go ahead and look for that. And let me see. I'll go ahead and put this one. All right. And I'm going to lower this just a little bit and open this up just a little bit. Bring this over here just so that I can make this a little bit bigger. And do the same here. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on save. And voila. He wants me to go ahead and configure my email. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that. So it took me just a few minutes to create this capture page, and it's really, really beautiful. So if you want a copy of this capture page, I'll save it for you in my account. Then all you have to do is come in here, change out the logo, and change out the headline, and add your testimonials and stuff like that. Or you can just create it on your own. It's really, really simple to do. So if you want a copy of this, all you have to do is click on the link below this video, and that'll allow you to go ahead and grab a copy of this and import it, and you can just, you know, play with the layout and stuff like that. Okay? So those are the 5 basic design elements that you will find inside of the Builderall Builder so that you can create a killer lead capture page, which is the first page inside of your sales funnel. You can create beautiful branded lead capture pages and sales funnels using the Builderall software, and I totally love how everything integrates, and it's so cool. And the best thing of all is that you can create beautiful branded capture pages just like I have here, using these beautiful Builderall design elements. You know, this is a branded capture page that I have. This is my one of the funnels that I use inside my business. And if you want to check it out, you can go to www.builderallbarbie.com. And once you go here, it will actually activate a 7-day free trial of our software for you with no obligation and no credit card required. So if you've been tinkering with the idea of using Builderall for your business, and you want to check it out yourself, go ahead and enter your name and email right here, and that will activate a 7-day free trial automatically for you so that you can go around and test the tools. And when you decide to activate a business plan, you will be under my team, and that'll get you a bunch of extra goodies and bonuses that will help you build the Builderall business if you want to create an additional income, or it will also help you build whatever business you are building online. So this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that that gave you some ideas of what you can do with the Builderall software. I really, really love it. If you want to learn more or partner with me, just go to www.builderallbarbie.com. I will have it linked in the description box below, and you can check that out. And it will also activate a 7-day free trial with no credit card and no obligation whatsoever. Okay? And when you join us, you will also get a copy of my 7-day free follow-up funnel, which is designed to help you stay in touch with your leads, because the fortune is in the follow-up, and I've created that for my team, and it's really helped me increase my lead conversion rate. So that is absolutely free, and it's yours when you partner with my team. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to do more of these types of videos that give you ideas on how you can use the Builderall tools. I love doing these type of videos. So if you want more of this kind of video to spark your creativity, please go ahead and leave me a comment right below this video, and I will be more than happy to carve out some time to do that for you. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to stay in touch with when my next video goes live on my YouTube channel. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check my description box for all the links you need and any link that I have mentioned in this video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!